Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sustainable Living with Shilpa Reddy, powered by Planet Green Farm Natura, a new beginning to your life. On yet another episode of Nourish You Farm to Table, I will be showing you 3 healthy raw food recipes which are absolutely easy to make and doesn't take too much of your time and extremely nutritious for your health. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a smoothie. This is a fruit and a nut smoothie. This is a breakfast meal by itself. This one is perfect when you do not have too much time to make your breakfast. Simple to make, highly nutritious. This has all the things that you need to kickstart your day. It has fats, carbohydrates, good proteins and lots of fiber. So for this nut and fruit smoothie, I will tell you what ingredients we need. We need half an apple, half a banana, pecans, but you can also use walnuts, and if you have sunflower seeds, you can use sunflower seeds. I personally like to use slim yogurt because it's high in protein and less in fats. Pumpkin seeds. These are pulverized steel cut oats, but then for them to mix easily with my smoothie, I got them grounded. So it's the same thing, but then I got them grounded. So pulverized steel cut oats. Then dates, again you have to de-seed them. Coconut water for consistency, and you can add some ice because I love to enjoy my smoothies with lots of ice in it. So let's begin. All you need is a blender. I like to put 4 to 5 cubes of ice. Then we add the oats powder, about 1.5 tablespoons. Some pumpkin seeds, you don't have to use these all, maybe half of these. Again, you can keep the measure as 1 big teaspoon full of pumpkin seeds. Then 3 to 4 dates. If the dates are small in size, you can use 4, but I'm using 3 here. Pecans, you can use walnuts or other nuts as I mentioned. 1 small cup of yogurt. I'm just going to use half a banana and half an apple. So please do not peel the skin of the apple because you get lots of fiber from that and also highly nutritious. Apple a day keeps the doctor away, we know that. So I'm going to use half an apple. And for consistency, I love to use coconut water. You can also use water if you wish to, but again, lots of electrolytes that you get from coconut water. So we're going to add about half a cup of coconut water. All you do is blend them all together. That's all, and your breakfast smoothie is ready. Quick, easy, highly nutritious. Look at the consistency, it's so beautiful. It's foamy, frothy and it's delicious. This is the consistency it should be in. And I must tell you, this is going to be delicious. So I cannot resist but to have a sip from here. This is the perfect smoothie for your breakfast. Has everything that a breakfast smoothie needs to have. Delicious. For this boiled peanut salad, we need chopped green chili. These are the onions I sauteed with a little bit of oil with cumin seeds, lots of chopped coriander, finely chopped cucumber, chopped tomatoes without the pulp, grated carrot, ginger, finely chopped ginger, raw mango, and these are boiled peanuts with a little bit of salt in it and lime to garnish. First we take boiled peanuts. I boil these peanuts with a little bit of salt so they taste good. Chopped coriander, I like lots of it, so I'm going to use this all, but again, it's up to you. How much you want, you can use that much. Sauteed onions with cumin seeds with a little bit of oil. Again, I don't like too many onions, so I'm going to use a little less of these. But if someone loves having lots of onions in their salad, they can use how much ever they want. Cucumber, chopped tomato, grated carrot. Look at these colors, they look so beautiful together. Chopped ginger, very little. I love raw mango because it gives that tangy taste. If it's not a season, you can avoid this. It's not an absolute must, but then it gives you that little tangy taste to the salad. Again, green chili according to your taste. And half a wedge of lime. Just mix them all together. This again is a salad that will replace your entire meal. If you eat all of this, this is like a meal replacement. Highly nutritious, loaded with vitamins, good proteins. I don't know if you all know that Gandhiji used to eat just boiled peanuts for his lunch, and you know how much work he used to do in a day. So boiled peanut salad will be great add-on to your diet. This is one of my favorite salads because I require high protein diet, and this is loaded with good protein. And again, all the vegetables give you so many vitamins and nutrients. Crunchy, yummy, tangy, spicy, perfect Indian tasting salad. Yum. To make hummus, we need soaked and boiled chickpeas, 1 cup, paprika powder, cumin powder, extra virgin olive oil, or if you don't have extra virgin olive oil, even plain olive oil is fine, few garlic cloves, tahini sauce. You get this in the supermarkets, it's very easy to find. Salt to your taste, of course, roasted bell pepper, lime, and some olives and coriander to garnish. So we need a small mixer jar. First we put our boiled chickpeas, add half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, olive oil, 1 tablespoon, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of tahini paste, salt to taste, roasted red bell peppers, 1 big size would be great, and 1½ wedges of lime. Let's check the consistency. Wow, this is perfect, but we will blend a little more because there's some stuff which is not yet done. I'm sure now it's done. Oh, look at that. Creamy, yummy consistency. This is the perfect consistency. You can make it beautiful before presentation by adding few olives on top of it. If you want, you can drizzle with a little bit of olive oil on top of it. I think I can't resist. I'm going to try it out right away. I use this dip with some raw vegetables, and this is cucumber, and I'm going to taste it right now. That looks yummy. If you cut a bowl of veggies and use this dip, this can again be a replacement of an entire meal. Yum, you must try this. I hope you all enjoyed my recipes, raw food recipes mind you. I would love for you all to try all of them and leave me some comments. If possible, send me pictures. I would be more than happy to take a look at them. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed me and my recipes. Stay tuned for more updates. Please do subscribe to my channel. See you all next week. Signing off, Shilpa Reddy.